guys, it's Nina B and welcome back to the channel. So I'm super excited about this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my skincare refrigerator. I've been holding off on this video because I'm slowly building my collection, and at the same time I'm trying to use all my products so I can give a good review on them. But anyways, with all that being said, let's get into the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start off with my face mask. I have a ton. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with in my skincare refrigerator is this. This is my jade roller. I got this from Marshall's not too long ago. I recently started jade rolling my face. I wouldn't say I'm super consistent with it. I probably do it maybe once a day or once every other day. I really want to get into doing it twice a day, every single day. This is really good for massaging your face, rolling your face. I'm not going to put it on my face right now because my face is not clean. I have to wash my face for the second time today, which I haven't done yet. This is really good for massaging your face and your skin. It's really good for collagen production because when you're using the jade roller, you're going up, and it's basically a lymphatic drainage for your face, which promotes healthy glowing skin, I believe. I'm still researching the benefits, but I do know that it is really good for lymphatic drainages on your face. The next thing that is in my refrigerator is this face mask. This is the Ultimate Detox Mud Mask by Dirty Works. I love this mask. It's a clay mask. Anytime I notice that I have a few pimples or I'm breaking out anywhere, I put this mask on my face, and it's like right after I take the mask off, my pimples are really minimized. Like, it's awesome. So yeah, it's a pretty thick gray mask. Looks gross. It gets pretty messy. Basically, you put it on your face, leave it on for a few minutes, wash it off, and yeah, just follow up with your favorite moisturizer. The next thing that is in my skincare refrigerator is this K-Beauty Illuminating Mask. This is Illuminating Pearl Mask, which is good for anti-aging, brightens and tones the skin. Got this from Burlington not that long ago. Have not tried it out yet. It's been sitting in the fridge, but I will definitely get to it. This next mask that I have is by K-Beauty also. Anti-aging collagen mask. It reduces fine lines, dark spots, promotes elasticity. Can't wait to give that a try. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit of a skin hoarder. So, you know, a bunch of this stuff I have not used. Some of the stuff I have used, well, a lot of this stuff I've used, but which is why I am putting myself on punishment, which means I'm not buying any more skincare products. I can't. My refrigerator is going to overflow. So the next mask that I have is this Royal Jelly mask. These are all sheet masks, by the way. Royal Jelly face mask. This has anti-aging, antioxidants, and repairs the skin. Super excited to give this a try. I love tea tree mask, even though I haven't tried this specific one. Tea tree is really good for like antifungal, bacteria, like acne. So this is a really good ingredient. Like I said, I have not tried this specific mask yet, but I have tried tea tree mask. This is tea tree mask. It's good for, like I said, it's it's on the package. Okay, anti-acne, antifungal, and antibacterial. Let's see, grapes. Okay, this grape mask good for anti-aging, antibacteria, and anti-acid. So that's good. Ooh, coffee mask. I know coffee is really good for exfoliating, and it says it right here. Coffee mask. Ooh, that means this mask is gonna stink. Okay. Anyways, it says good for exfoliation, softens, and purifies the skin. Super excited to give that a try, but I'm not looking forward to the coffee scented smell. Retinol mask. The purpose of this mask is to hydrate and renew delicate skin and to nourish. So I can't wait to give this a try. Next, I have a Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. You know, if I want to get dolled up, I put on a little bit of concealer. Keep it in my fridge. I like to keep my liquid makeup cold. I don't know, I feel like it gives me a nice finish, and I feel like it closes my pores, minimizes my pores. So yeah. Next are these eye patches that I have. I would love to put on some eye patches before school, before class. Realistically, I really don't have that much time, but if I don't get to that, like I said, I will use this in the morning, which I barely have time for that in the morning either. But yeah, I have tried these out. You know, they're simple eye patches. Next, I have this collagen lip mask. I've worn this a few times. It's pretty good. It's full of antioxidants. I'm just remembering what it said off the box because I threw the box away. because I've been using the mask. But yeah, it's collagen, so it'll, you know, it'll give you a slight pump. I noticed like when I take this off, my lips feel like a slightly like numb, not like a bad numb, like oh it's allergic reaction, but you can tell it's actually doing its job. Now this next lip mask that I have is red. I have not tried this one at all. This one is made specifically for plumping your lips. So this one has cinnamon. I know this is going to give me a burning, tingling sensation, but hopefully the results are worth it. Getting the blood circulating so I can see how the cinnamon can contribute to the plumping effect on your lips. This looks kind of gross, but this is my K-Bella purifying mask. Just picked this up from Target maybe about a week ago, and I've been using it, which is why it looks crusty and dusty, which I'm probably going to finish it off today. Well, this is a really good mask. Like I said, I've been I'm not gonna say breaking out. Well, on my forehead I've been having these little tiny pimples, so I've been putting this mask on and it's been working wonders. Next I have this NARS sample size. It's a super dark concealer, but I use it for contouring, like I said, whenever I want to do my makeup. Next I have my Rihanna Fenty trial size total cleanser. I have not tried this cleanser yet. I got it in the trial size. Had this since Christmas and have not used it yet because I'm trying to use up my CeraVe. Cool, it's like you twist it and it comes out the top. I thought this was the lid that you take off like a regular. Once I'm finished with my CeraVe, I will definitely give this a try. The next thing that I have in my skincare refrigerator is my Vitamin Glow Day Serum. Love, love, love this. I use it twice a day. I believe it's got vitamin C. It's really good for, this is really good for brightening. And I love that it has glycolic acid, a whole bunch of B vitamins, which is good for brightening the skin, giving you a nice glowy texture. Let me not get too close to the camera. Next I have this stick. This is a concealer stick. I bought it so it could be like a contour stick. I have not used this. I just bought this. Is this ginger plus vitamin C serum shot, and this is basically for brightening and getting rid of any dark spots and toning your skin. I got a super small size of this just to give it a try, and if I like it, I'll obviously buy the bigger size of it. Now, come along with me to my room and we're gonna reorganize my refrigerator. This is my fridge. I'm gonna open it. For the most part, it's pretty empty. I did not include these masks in the video because I have several of them and I'm not going to show you guys 10 of the same mask. So now we're going to reorganize these. So I put all of my sheet masks go right on my bottom shelf. All of my sheet masks along with my eye patches and lip masks. So I like to keep the same lip masks together. So these are the collagen lip mask, and this is the plumping cinnamon lip mask, which goes on top. Sometimes if I'm really lazy, which I'm kind of am right now, I'll just mix them all up. Who cares? Then my K-Bella mask, since I'm in the process of using it, that goes directly on top. And I put my jade roller right here. My liquid makeup goes right in the door of the refrigerator. Fits perfectly except for this bigger size one. My Rihanna Fenty, I keep this one right up here tucked in the top. So I keep all my mud masks or like kind of squeezy tubes and my serums up here. I keep my serum right up here. Boom. And this is the other one. Now they all don't really fit up here, so I kind of stack them like that. And the last thing is my eye patch, which goes on the far left. Tuck that in. And yeah, so that concludes my skincare collection, what's in my mini refrigerator plus organization. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the channel a like and subscribe.